This is Alexander Vera, Week 3 CAIS 126M Python class for Ed Carthon. I believe this week we were going over variables, syntax, and a little bit of operators. Identifying variables. So on here, which variable is just, I guess, a place in memory where we store something. For A, right here would be 25. That'd be a variable. It's also a number. It's a numeric value. It's a number or integer, again, simply. Or it could be a string, which is basically kind of like a word, not a number. We also have certain statements. I believe that was from the reading. That was a sign. So for instance, we can have print A, print B, print C, which prints all that. Something right here is I wanted to show some of the syntax. Also printing certain letters, or only certain letters in a sentence. So let's say if you wanted to print the first 3 letters of the sentence, you would start from 0, 0 being the first letter, and you would move over. No, 1 would be the first letter. I think the reading is a little bit off, or I don't think it's off. I think the model that I'm using is might not line up exactly with everything, but anyways. Also right here, rules of precedence, or operation and procedure, where you can have anything with, like, kind of like math, basic math, order of operations. As you see, as you can take the two numeric values, add them together, and then multiply them by 2, but because they're in these 2 parentheses right here and right here, they are added together first, and then they're multiplied. Right here we can have multiple variables assigned to, or one numeric value assigned to multiple variables. I'm not sure how I would say that correctly. So if I was to print EDF, it's still going to come out as 1.1, 1.1, 1.1, E's assigned to 1.1, D's assigned to 1.1. A list right here, where it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So if I was to print the list, it's going to print all of this within this right here, except for the print C, which is not by itself up here. So that was something different. Right here, I saw this on YouTube, which was base measure index, or base, it's BMI, something to do with body weight and height. How do you ratio it out? Because with certain things, certain points within a number, like let's say 1.1 or 1.2, in order to add them together you have to make them into a float, which deals with decimals or fractions, I believe, whichever. I think just primarily decimals. So with that, you take the body weight or the height in meters, which would be like let's say 1.7, 1.8, right? And you press enter, and then please add your weight in kilograms, which would be let's say 65 kilograms. Take that, and it comes out with a decimal point. They have a system where it's like in between like 20 to 24 is you're in the correct weight range. Anything above 24 is overweight. But this is an expression right here, because it's not necessarily something or a script, not necessarily something that's going to show anything. It's like these ABC, it's not going to show anything unless you have a command or a statement with it. But thank you very much. This is my video. Bye.